Las Olas Blvd is one of the most fun streets in Fort Lauderdale, with everything from bars, boutiques, art galleries, and restaurants. Stroll down the boulevard and enjoy the street lined with palm trees. You'll also spot some million-dollar homes and yachts along the way. On your walk down Las Olas Blvd, make sure to stop by Anne's Florist and Coffee Bar. This is a combination of a flower shop, coffee shop, and wine bar. Their coffee is delicious and their atmosphere is something that you don't want to miss. Lauderdale by the Sea Pier is a long, beautiful fishing pier surrounded by colorful streets, shopping, and restaurants. This is a perfect spot to catch a sunset and head to dinner right after. After watching sunset at the pier, head over to Aruba Beach Cafe, located right next to the pier. Aruba's is a great restaurant bar located right on the beach. With great food, live music, and oceanfront views, you can't go wrong. Fort Lauderdale Beach Boulevard Strip is a promenade running along the Oceanside Highway A1A along Fort Lauderdale's best beaches. It's lined with upscale outdoor restaurants, bars, boutiques, and luxury hotels. The Elbow Room is a famous bar in Fort Lauderdale that gained popularity when it was featured in a film, Where the Boys Are, in the 1960s. It's located on the corner of East Las Olas Blvd and the Fort Lauderdale Strip. They are known for having live music every day and a great happy hour. At the end of East Las Olas Blvd, you'll find Las Olas Beach, a small stretch of beach, one beach over from Fort Lauderdale Beach Park. You can access beach rentals and water sport rentals. It's also in walking distance to all of the restaurants and bars on Fort Lauderdale Beach Boulevard. The Jungle Queen River Ferry sails through the waterways of Fort Lauderdale. The main part of the tour is around the New River, which is home to some of the most amazing and expensive homes in Florida. From movie stars to business owners, it's definitely a great experience. Check out junglequeen.com for all information about the ferry. The Fort Lauderdale Water Taxi is one of the best ways to explore Fort Lauderdale. With 300 plus miles of inland waterways, it's a great way to get around and see many different sights along the way. There are a few different options on ways to ride, but I suggest buying an all-day pass where you can board as often as you like at any stop between 10 a.m. and 10 p.m. Check out watertaxi.com for more info. The Hollywood Beach Boardwalk has a 2.5-mile bike path along the ocean. Rent a bike from one of the many bike rental spots along the boardwalk, ranging from about $5 to $15 per hour. While riding along the boardwalk, you'll pass bars, live music, restaurants, and shops. This is the perfect way to see Hollywood Beach and was such a nice ride along the beach. The Wharf is located on Fort Lauderdale's River Walk. This is a nautical-themed, Hamptons-inspired outdoor event space, including 4 bars and 5 food court-style eateries right on the river. During the day, the Wharf is a hangout spot for all ages, but at night it turns into a 21-plus drinking and dancing spot. During your time at the new River Walk, check out the new 27-foot sculpture located at the Society Las Olas apartment complex, right across from the Wharf. This statue has become a popular Instagram photo spot for anyone visiting Fort Lauderdale. If you have some extra time on your trip to Fort Lauderdale, head a few miles up Highway A1A to Pompano Beach. The pier is located on a walkable beachfront promenade with great restaurants and beautiful views. This was one of our favorite spots to walk around and enjoy the sunset from the pier. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video gave you some ideas to check out on your trip to Fort Lauderdale. Please be sure to hit the like button and subscribe if this video helped you out.